Click on this subscribe button to watch more videos on my YouTube channel. To get latest notifications and updates about my videos, click on this bell icon. Hi friends, in this video I am going to explain that data extraction command. By data extraction command, how to develop the attributive block, I will explain you in this tutorial. First of all, create the one of the Excel sheet file like this, the company and the client drawn equipment sheet data like this. I prepared the one of the Excel sheet and named it as print plan. And how to create the Excel sheet also explain in this tutorial. I will explain you in this tutorial. And go on to the new drawing file and go into the new and select the Autocad and open, and one of the new file will opens on the screen. You can observe this is the open new file. After opening the new file, go on to the insert block and browse, and the print planning block already created in the previous tutorial. This print planning blocks, how to create the insert the blocks already explained in my previous tutorial. You can also check my previous tutorials. In the print planning, browse the print planning and the name is at print planning and click on OK. Then the what you created before the block is appears on the screen. These tutorials already explained in my previous. You can observe these tutorials, the print planning, and see the one of the block is attributive block is created. See, already we constructed before this attributive block, and simply browse that and extract to this file. After that, see the company, client, drawn, equipment sheet, date, all of the files are there. Then go into the Excel sheet format. How to create this Excel sheet, data evaluation is required. For to prepare this, how to prepare this Excel sheet I will show you. First go into the any of the column like this. The list is required, the small icon I will show you. I am giving the company for example, and select the block and go into the data validation and go into the list and select the list on the allow and give the source. The source is required. If you do not give the source, the block is not created. And the company, and I'm giving the for example sum and click on OK. See, like this, one of the data validation is required for to develop the data extraction models. And I'm deleting this is the process I made this to prepare this data Excel sheet like this. I want to data extraction by using the Excel sheet. How to possible, I will explain this tutorial. And a company, client, drawn, equipment sheet, you want to change the color also, you can change the color. The Excel sheet, I am saving this file to print plan and go into the Autocad file. After going to the Autocad file, see, this is the Excel sheet prepared. This is the Autocad file. Attributive block is inserted before already created this attributive block by using some operations already explained in previous tutorials. You can observe my previous tutorials also how to create this block. And for example, the government limited Surya, like this one of the block is created. And go on to the data extraction command, data extraction, and click on enter. And you must save the drawing before continue with data extraction and click on save button and go to the desktop. And file I'm giving as same as like that only, drawing 1 DWG, and click on save button. You want to give the different types of file types, you can give the file types. I'm giving the file name as save as. And data extraction begins. Page 1 of 8 steps are required. The widget extract data from the drawings and select whether create a new data extraction. Create a new data extraction and check the mark and click on next and give the name it as print plan. What you preparing the data plan, I'm giving the print plan file name. I'm going to the desktop, I will save it is on desktop, and click on save button. See the drawing sheet plate, include current drawing, check that marks and go on to the next. The file in progress, then the data extraction is completed, then the attribute definitions are there. I want required only print planning. I'm checking the uncheck all of the marks and check the only print planning. Display blocks with attributes only and check these marks also and click on next button. See the different types of properties will appear on the screen. We only require some properties as your requirement. I am unchecking all of the marks. What you required, I am considering that only. I am checking all the marks what I required and uncheck the marks. If you not required this, uncheck all of the marks. I am unchecking the unwanted properties of the display names also. It will not appear on the sheet. See, once check all of the marks are marking is correct or not. Once check all the way, I'm giving the client company date and click on next button and see the data extend reference data is there. See the print planning name, client company, what you required, thus or observe on the screen. Then go on to the see count, select the company and the count like this. I want to change the company only. I'm selecting this company and the count. If you change any of the company names, the count will also changes. See the full tutorial and go on to the next and go on to the create external data link what you created on the before Excel sheet. I'm giving the enter data link name print plan and it asks the browse a file of Excel sheet what you created before. I'm giving the print plan already. I saved in this spot and click on open button. It automatically selected. Then preview is available what you created on the Excel sheet. See the preview. This is the preview and it is created on the desktop and you want to change the part type and click on OK. Then see the data link manager is completed. Dialog box and click on OK. Then you choose the plan, then go into the select column what you changed the column you required to count the to link the data link. I am giving the company and check match. The key pairing was successful. If you does not come the key pairing was successful, it will not form the data link. You should match both the external data column and the drawing data column and key pair is successful. Then I am giving the client company date drawing equipment sheet like this already in the external data column and click on OK. See all of the properties will appear. You want to hide some of the properties and some of the tags. I will hide the columns. So many are created. I want some only. I'm hiding some columns and the drawn also there. There are two types of models are created, then only I'm hiding. See the company and the client drawn equipment like this and click on next and insert the data extraction table into drawing. You go on to output data of ext and some of the files. You can also give the output and click on next button and data extraction table. Go on to the standard. I'm giving the print plan again name as a title. I'm giving the print plan and use properly names. Check that mark and click on next option after giving the print plan name of your table and finish. The 8 parts is completed, pages are completed and click on finish button. See it is dragged. The print plan is created. See what you created, the title also, the print plan is there. How many print plans you required. By using the Excel sheet format, you link this data to the Autocad file by simply using the data extraction command. I hope this tutorial is helpful. This tutorial is very helpful for the beginners. And the count company government limited, already I selected the company main. I am inserting the block C. The first block is already inserted. This is the second block. You want to the count is 2 counts are required. If you showing 1, if you want to 2 counts, simply update all of the files and select the file and click on right click and go to the update table data links. click on that update table data links and see the counts is to how many you want to insert the blocks. The counts are made automatically by simply click on the update data links. See the count is 2. Simply select all this and update the table data links and click on enter and see the count is 3. 3 blocks are inserted. It is showing the 3 blocks. You want to change the company name. Already what you created on the data link file, you created the data link of company main the matching pair. I will insert this block. I am changing to Sum of the Government Limited. For example, this is the one of the name. I want to change the name to second, for example Sum, and click on OK. See the text is also changed. You want to click the update data links. See on the Government Limited has is 3 are inserted and Sum Government Limited are inserted. That one count is there. You want to require another company name. You can also give like this. You want to give the same Government Limited. It is showing the count 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 like that. You want to give the different types of changing of the company names. Then individual counts will form on the table. Simply I am giving the another. I am giving the any of the name. Simply for example purpose I am giving like this and the second Government Limited and click on OK. See and update the data links, table data links, and see this is the second. For example you have the any of the names of the company names. You can give the names as you wish. This is for example I am creating for one of the name you created. It shows the counts 3. If you change the companies, then the count will automatically changes. It is main the data sheet is combined with the Excel sheet format, then only it will appear like this. For this type of abstraction